Storms Tech Channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Alcatel TCL 30XL for Straight Talk. So the TCL 30XL is not here at Straight Talk. It's available now for $149.99, and it's available in black. That's what the phone looks like. That kind of reminds me of the TCL 4X that Straight Talk offers as well. Kind of reminds me of that phone a little bit. So some familiarity there between the two phones there. In my opinion, the model number is T701DL, and yeah, very nice looking phone there. Like I said, in my opinion, kind of reminds me of the TCL 4X that Straight Talk offers, but this one is cheaper than the TCL 4X. So yeah, so anyways guys, this is the front of the phone there. You guys have your teardrop notch for your front facing camera, that earpiece above that, power and volume keys on the right side of the phone there. The left side of the phone will have a micro SD and SIM card slot. On the back of the TCL 30XL is your quad camera setup, along with your dual LED flash, fingerprint sensor, TCL logo, and your track phone logo on there on the back. Alright. And this one's currently not in stock. Nope, it's currently not in stock right now. Says hey, explore, capture, share, enjoy the thrills of movie-like videos on the large 6.82-inch display. Enhanced visuals powered by next vision technology. The 20.5:9 aspect ratio and 3D surround sound delivers an immersive cinematic feel that goes with you anywhere you go. Reduce distractions or multitask while you watch movies with a variety of display customizations. And of course, on every Straight Talk phone, Straight Talk has to include this, which I guess they think people don't know about it here or don't pay attention to it here. It says here, a service plan is required for activation. Plans are not returnable or refundable. And what do you know? No specs. So I'll try to get the full specs from this phone linked below. I'll try to get the full official specs from TCL. So check the links for the specs. I don't know why Straight Talk don't put the specs on these phones here. That's kind of being lazy and shit. So who's ever doing this web thing for Straight Talk needs to be fired ASAP. So what comes in the box, guys, is your TCL 30XL smartphone, your 18-watt charger, Type-C cable, quick start guide, SIM card, pin, product safety information. So yeah. So there's the phone there, front and back. Very nice looking phone. Like I said, it kind of reminds me of the TCL 4X a little bit, in my opinion. It runs Android 12, which is pretty standard now on phones. So that's the latest and greatest. That's the latest and greatest as of right now, because Android 13 is in beta right now. So Android 12 is the latest and greatest stable build of Android right now. AI powered quad camera. Show off your creativity on social media with an AI powered quad camera and editing features that will make your photos pop. The TCL 30XL is equipped with a high-res 50-megapixel AI main camera, 5-megapixel wide-angle lens, 2-megapixel depth cam, and 2-megapixel macro camera. Alright, so pretty cool. Stunning cinematic viewing. Enjoy the thrills of movie-like videos on the large 6.82-inch display with enhanced visuals powered by next vision technology. The 20.5:9 aspect ratio and 3D surround sound delivers an immersive cinematic feel that goes with you anywhere you go. Reduce distractions or multitask while you watch movies with a variety of display customizations. So pretty cool. Mighty performance. An octa-core processor paired with 6 GB of RAM and a massive 5,000 mAh battery fuels the smooth performance and uninterrupted entertainment. Watch up to 14 hours of continuous video playback or share your power with other devices thanks to on-the-go reverse charging capability. So that is pretty cool. So you can charge other devices with this phone pretty sweet there. Aesthetics meet comfort. Drawing inspiration from the cool spring evening, the splendid finish of the TCL 30XL will make you stand out from the crowd. Effortlessly unlock your phone thanks to facial recognition. The rear-mounted fingerprint sensor provides secure and convenient access. So you do get facial recognition and fingerprint as your security option. So yeah, there you guys have it. The TCL 30XL is now available at Straight Talk. It's available now for $149.99. It has pretty good specs for what it is. If you guys want the full specs, check the links below. So yeah, so the TCL 30XL, very nice looking phone. Great specs for what it is. Not bad for $150. You're getting 6 gigabytes of RAM for $150. You can't go wrong with that. That's just fucking insane for a budget phone like this. Like I said, it has great specs, big battery, big ass screen, and stuff like that. So yeah, the TCL 30XL looks very nice and whatnot. So yeah, there you guys have it, the TCL 30XL, now available at Straight Talk. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. If it helps me out a lot, please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.